Fun Simple Projects. Today we'll be replacing the front gasket on this dishwasher here. It's a what kind it is. It's a model number, I'll put in the notes below, but FGP02431KFG1 dishwasher, and looks like this. So that's it right there. Anyway, it's a Frigidaire, looks like, gallery edition. So anyway, it's been leaking water, and I think we determined the problem was actually the front gasket here. So you can see the lip of it right here, this gasket is going to come out, and we're going to replace it with this new one here. So we'll get started. Okay, so just on the side here, start to grab this gasket. So I'll show you how easy that comes out actually. Which kind of surprises me a little bit. See that? So just pull on the side of it here, like that, and just coming out just like that. You can see how damaged it is here. So it's pulling that out, this gasket, and noticing the notch here. That's important because I need to use it to match the next piece. So, but definitely you see the gasket actually coming apart. So this very well could have been our problem here. So continue to pull this piece out real carefully. Take note of the double ridge here, and then we've got the orientation of this this gasket here on this side. So continue pulling it out, and there we go. It's almost there. There it is. See, that one came apart, looks like, at the end. So definitely seen better days. So let's go ahead and put the next one in. So I want to kind of match this orientation here. So this is the down position, like this, like that. Okay. So this is our matches. That's important. Okay, so what we're going to do first, though, before we do that, is we're going to try to clean this out if we can, because this is a bit dirty in here. So I'm just going to run this on the inside of this. Let's try to clean it out some. So to become aggressive, make sure that you pull this thing up far enough so that you can actually access that channel. Otherwise you'll be pushing it underneath it out into the open and it gets stuck there. So you really have to kind of pull this back, get your fingers in there, check the channel, make sure it's going in the channel. And then this goes in not so bad. It was pretty stiff, but it went in okay. So this is how it looks after it's done. A lot better. Kind of dirty. We'll clean this out, run the load, make sure it doesn't leak. And but it's all even now. That's what we want. You can see it's where it is, right there. So that's a good thing. It's all $10, and hopefully that fixes our problem. Thanks for watching.